Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make gravy mix veg-full guide. Start by prepping vegetables and measuring broth precisely, then cook aromatics until soft and fragrant. Whisk in your chosen thickener slowly to avoid lumps and reach the right body. Taste and adjust salt, acid, and herbs, then strain for a silky finish or leave rustic for texture. Serve hot over potatoes or roast for best results. Begin by prepping vegetables and choosing a stock that complements your meal, whether vegetable or chicken stock. Sauté onions, carrots, and celery until they release sweetness and color, then add garlic and herbs for aroma. Deglaze the pan with stock to capture fond, simmer gently to meld flavors, and taste often so you can adjust seasoning as the gravy reduces to the perfect intensity. Choose your thickening method based on texture needs and time constraints, like a quick cornstarch slurry or a classic roux for richer flavor. For a slurry, whisk cold liquid into cornstarch, then stir into simmering gravy until glossy. For a roux, cook fat and flour until golden before adding stock gradually. Whichever method you use, simmer briefly and taste, adjusting seasoning and viscosity as needed for the right mouthfeel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.